नमस्कार भाई और बहनों, मैं रजनी सिंह सशक्त एम्पावरिंग लाइव्स के हिंदी चैनल पर आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। तो आज हम किस चीज पर बात करेंगे, उससे पहले बड़ा फटाफट से एक इंट्रोडक्शन कर लेते हैं। मैं एक स्पेशल एजुकेटर हूँ, 18 साल हो गए, कुल 24,000 के ऊपर अब हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स पे। हम क्या करते हैं, पेरेंट्स को ऑटिज्म को सक्सेसफुली कैसे बड़ा करना है ये सिखाते हैं। तो चलिए फटाफट से शुरू करते हैं। आज क्या करने वाले हैं, आज जो आप वीडियो देखेंगे ये एक प्रैक्टिकल डेमो है। बच्चे को साइट रीडिंग के जरिए रीडिंग कैसे सिखानी है। तो आप ये देखेंगे, इसमें 2 सेट कार्ड्स के हैं, एक लाल रंग का है, एक ब्लू कलर का है। उसमें कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं। ये बच्चा, मैं जनरली बच्चों के साथ डायरेक्ट काम नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स के साथ काम करती हूँ, तो आगे मैं पेरेंट्स को सिखाती हूँ और वो करते हैं। बट ये एक क्रिटिकल केस था और ये बच्चा कहीं बाहर से आया है। ये कहाँ से आया है, इसका क्या नाम है, पेरेंट्स का क्या नाम है, ये सब हम नहीं रिवील करेंगे सिक्योरिटी रीजन से, और ऑफ कोर्स बच्चे के लिए भी, पेरेंट्स के लिए भी। और इसका फेस भी ब्लर आप देखेंगे कैमरा में, लेकिन ये टेक्निक्स हम आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं कि किस तरीके से साइट रीडिंग के जरिए बच्चे को सिखाया जाता है कि रीडिंग कैसे करनी है। तो एक स्पेसिफिक सेट ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं, 200 मोस्ट यूज्ड वर्ड्स की लिस्ट है जो हमने ली है। और अगर आप ये 200 मोस्ट यूज्ड वर्ड्स की लिस्ट और इसके साइट वर्ड्स और इससे बनी हुई किताब चाहते हैं तो उसका भी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। वहां से आप लिंक से क्लिक करके आप वो परचेज कर सकते हैं। उस बुक के साथ बच्चा काम कर रहा है और कार्ड्स के साथ, फ्लैश कार्ड्स के साथ, और एक एक नया नया वर्ड सीख रहा है। अब एक बार ये बच्चा 200 के करीब वर्ड सीख जाएगा साइट रीडिंग की टेक्निक से, फिर हम उनको मिक्स एंड मैच करके सेंटेंसेस बनाना शुरू कर देंगे। ये फास्ट ट्रैक रीडिंग प्रोग्राम है। सेंटेंसेस भी कैसे बनाएंगे, जो उसकी लाइफ से मिलते जुलते हैं, ताकि बच्चे को उसकी समझ भी आए। जैसे कि आई वेंट फॉर वॉक विद ममा। अब हमने ये सारे वर्ड्स सेपरेटली थ्रू द साइट रीडिंग टेक्निक ये सिखाए हैं। तो देखिए इस वीडियो को, और पसंद आए तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। Quickly, come on in. The ball is waiting. It says, such a good boy, Irish, I will play with him. Yes, our kid is waiting, saying, such a good boy, Irish, he will come today. But they are all saying, only good boys are allowed. Yeah, so we can't do all this. They have to be good. Okay? Otherwise, they will not come with us. Okay? Yeah. Now, let's go forward. N-E-V-E-R. Be absolutely certain जो भी बुक बाहर जा रही है कोई मिस्टेक्स नहीं होना चाहिए। N-E-V-E-R. Say never. Find out. Match. Where is never? चलो never. N-E-V-E-R. ढूंढो। N-E-V-E-R. Never. Match.
What's that?
What's that? Never. M-O-R-E. I like the enthusiasm. M-O-R-E. That's more. I want more. I will never shout. I want more fun. Yeah? More. ढूंढो, यहाँ से ढूंढो, उसकी नजर पहुंच गई। पहुंच गई उसकी नजर, देख लिया तो उसने पलटा है। Yeah. M-O-R-E. More. ढूंढो, उधर से स्टार्ट करो। More. Is that more?
No.
And this one? Look. M-O-R-E. No. This one? M-O-R-E? No. More. Show me. More. नहीं है ना? Where is more? Show me.
Where is more? M-O-R-E.
हाँ, ढूंढो। स्कैनिंग अच्छी होगी, सो तुरंत ही मिल जाएगा, जिधर भी हटा रहे।
What's that?
That is a good problem to have.
ऐसी प्रॉब्लम चलेगी मैम.
Yes. And he is a very good boy. The ball is saying, है ना? Ball is saying today he will behave so nicely, so nicely. All right. Let us do this. This is these. Praise him when he is not asking for it, so that he knows this way I continuously get praise.
Okay.
When we praise him only when
Good things like that.
then he says okay, he does something else to get our attention.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Never. Never. And another trick I'll tell you is very, very powerful for both typical and diverse. Let them feel that you don't know and you are praising them in front of another. So like Veer is half asleep. I know उसको सुन रहा है. And I'm like, आज पता है जिसने इतना amazing किया है. So that gives them more of a reason to do that. कि भी मेरे absence में मेरी praise हुई. हम उल्टा कर जाते हैं. जिसने ये किया है वो सुन रहे होते हैं.
Yeah. I used to talk a lot about
This is
not good things, but मैंने बंद कर दिया.
About. Yeah. Like you know that he's listening and that's the time you praise him. And pretending like you don't know that he is around. Now, talk. Then, look down. M-O-R-E. More. Yeah, this one. These. This one. Never. I will never cry. Yeah. All right. Never तो नहीं होता बेटा तो ठीक है.
होगा मैम होगा.
नहीं इंसान को कभी कभी रोना भी चाहिए बेल्ट आउट करने के लिए. हाँ but I will never misbehave. Yeah. T-E-N. 10. This one. This one. T-E-L-L. Tell. Very good. This one. Best. You are my best boy. Yeah. Okay. This one. T-A-L-K. No. T-A-L-K. Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. Yes. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Show me where is 8. Show me where is 8. Start from there.
Start from here. Is this 8? Is this 8? No. Then fine. Where is it?
E-I-G-H-T 8. Go. Find out. Where is 8?
Where is 8? Look. What's that? 8. नो सुनने के लिए ना 2 दिन से मैं जान की ज्यादा कराती हूँ. इतना क्यूट नो है ना इसका.
No. L-I-V-E. Live. Say live. L-I-V-E. Live. Okay. I live in Canada. Yeah. L-I-V-E. Live. Yeah. I live with mommy. यहाँ से ढूंढो. Is this live? No. Is this live? No. Is this live? No. What about this? No. Find out then where is live. That is live. Very good. Excellent. Yeah. Only these many left. Only these many. Only 3 left. What's that? No. Look carefully. This is these. Look. This one is these. This is not these. This is those. This is. Give me a green pen. And a black pen. नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, कुछ और अभी देखो तो ये क्या है? THESE पढ़ता है these, और ये वाला no THOSE those, ये क्या है बेटा? What is this? Those. Can you match those? Those, show me. Start looking from here. Where is those? Those. Find out. Find out.
Those. THOSE. No, that's
Look. Look at the difference. This is E. This is O. Those. Match it. Find out where it is. No, that's not it. Where is it?
those. THOSE.
Absolutely. That is those. Look at this. What is this? Those. And what is this? These. Very minor difference. Later on, we have to do it like this also. So that is for spellings.
Okay. Yeah.
So that they don't make a mistake. So we're creating a mental picture, a mental file. So he looks at that. This doesn't look like these. Or this one is this, not that one.
Yeah.
Now, WOMAN. Woman. What's that? WOMAN. Woman. Woman means lady, like mummy, like teacher. Yeah? We are women. Okay? WOMAN. Daddy is man. You are a boy. Okay? That's one activity I want you to do. Cut lots of pictures of older women from the internet or newspaper or wherever you can get cut or print or whatever. Then of men dressed in coat suits and pajamas and t-shirts and blah, blah, blah. Full picture, full. Okay? And then of boys and girls. And then you'll have 4 chart papers and you'll write on top. Man, we are already doing woman. Okay? So man भी बीच में ही आ जाएगा. इस लिस्ट में भी कहीं होगा. Numbers है ना? तो man, woman, boy, girl. And then the sorting activity.
Okay.
And then later on you will say, okay, pick up one woman from here.
Okay.
So you should be able
to do that.
Because otherwise if I teach him how to read and he doesn't understand
the meanings behind it.
WOMAN, woman. Okay. Show me where is a woman. Woman. अरे तेरी की
Woman.
ठा देके अभी उसका स्कैनिंग अच्छा हो गया. WRITE. What's that? Right. I like to write in my class. WRITE. Right. Find out where is right. Find out where is right. Start from there. Start looking. Find out where is right.
Right.
Where is right? Do know. That's the word right.
Right.
So let's do a quick one and then we will go to, we'll do some writing work. Yeah? Yeah. Now, let's start. Live. Say. देख के बोलो. Those. देख के बोलो. Look down. Those. Yeah. Right. These. Yeah. Woman. Say. Then. Never. More. Talk. Say loudly. Talk. Okay. About. Say loudly. Yes. EIGHT. 8. जोर से बोलो. 8. ये बोलो. 10. ये बोलो. 10. Good. Best. Yes. Say activity is over. Say activity. Activity is yes. Activity is over. Class is not over. Activity is over. Okay. And ball is saying, I am so proud of you. It's happy. Say to the ball. Say, I am coming. Wait. Say, wait. Say, let me finish. Say, yes. The ball is saying, okay, I am waiting. Yes, Abhi, we are working. Wait. Ball is waiting. Yeah. Okay. Book. Take out your writing book.
Writing book.
Okay.
Fantastic
Ask Mama.
book.
Give me pen. Without asking, don't give. Say, give me pen.
Open marker.
Finish quickly.
Come
Ball
on.
is waiting. Come
Open
on.
marker. Fast. Yeah. Emulate. And let's write.
Get a nail paint remover
Okay.
and Rui and
मैम आपके आइडियाज ना आपको
A. Make A. White board देके जाओ. Now A. White board छोटा. अच्छा इधर ही तो है. चलो जल्दी.
Ah. You write here. Ah. Arush, write A beta. Not A. A. Curve up and down. Understand?
Good. ये अपने आप किया ना?
हाँ.
Good. आ रहा है फिर.
This morning I was missing my home and everything. Gaurav has gone to Europe. अभी वो वापस घर नहीं गया, so he's not shown me.
He's traveling.
Yeah, traveling for work. उसका अब every month वहाँ से भी ना यूरोप जाना होता ही है.
Beautiful. He's getting so good. He's getting so good at it. Good. And he's now, it's sinking in that I don't get away with any sort of nonsense. But, come on. But. I'm sure by the time he goes, he'll be writing. Small. I'll try that he can write a small sentence.
Yes.
Because 3 महीने में इससे ज़्यादा तो may not be possible. बाकी things. Go. We are not writing the date in 6 as the June month. We are writing K. Come on. K. Stop. Go. That's it.
That is. वो प्रेशर हो गया ना. जो शीन होती है ना.
जनरली प्लास्टिक के साथ ऐसा होता नहीं है. क्यों हुआ है?
क्लीनिंग स्प्रे यूज किया ना.
कौन सा?
क्लीनिंग स्प्रे जो डिश वॉशिंग वाला है.
हाँ, उसकी वजह से.
उससे ही It was all black and blue and green and हर चल white करते हैं वापस.
It's reacted in some way.
Yeah.
That's a B. No, that's a B. We don't want that. Make a D.
Take the first few sheets.
D.
Now
D. No, that's a B. Not this. B. Not this. I had to literally cut it for his brain to erase that. D.
Big
D. Yeah. That's a B. That's a B. Ball. This one. B. Okay? This is not it. This is not it. Here. Oh, sorry. Put a mark on D. D. Down. And stop.
Curve, yeah.
And now? This is D. And now do the D. D. हर चीज से सम्मान 25 D.
Curve, up, and down. D. What's that?
D.
One more. Look here.
Good. Come. Stop.
D.
Here. Go up. Go up. What? Again. D. Down. Up. And down. No. Again.
D.
Come on.
Look nicely.
Up. 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 And now. Now. And that's it. Finish. That's a D. E.
Straight line start from here, buddy. Tree.
Make another E here. E.
Straight line down. Straight line down. And 3.
3 lines across.
3 lines across, come on. 1 across. 1 across. One across. 2, 3. That's it.
E. What is this? E. Come on. You're doing so good. Ball is saying, playing time, playing time. It's about time. Yes. Say, okay, wait, I'm coming. Say, good. Wait, let me finish. Take the ball. Say, let me finish. It's waiting. Okay, come. Not going without finishing, right? Okay, let's do it. E. Can you make an E here? Ball will go away. Ball will say, no, I don't play with dirty boys. No, don't try that. Huh? Okay. Make an egg. Make a nice egg. Egg. Come on, look. Go down, and like this. That's it. That's a egg. Beautiful. Very good. See how nice you made. See, the ball is also happy. Look. Happy. Happy with you? Yes? Yeah. Now F. We will finish and only then we'll get up. We 10 more minutes to go. Okay?
Okay?
Yes.
Yes, let's do down.
Finish. बॉडी क्लॉक भी होता है ना पूरा 12 बज गया तो उसको पता है कि टाइम हो गया। हाँ बट सी हर बार मेरे को एक ही बात लगती है इतनी दूर से आए हो ना तो क्यों तो 10 मिनट में उसको दूंगी तो उसको भी उसके भी कम नहीं हो सकते ठीक है दूंगी शूट के लिए इनको भी घर ले जाएगा F चल
now 2 across.
Come on, F.
F, buddy, F.
F बनो.
Cross. 1 And to F. Yay! Look, that's so nice.
Very good. It's about time. Just little bit more. We have to go till G. है ना? Yeah. चल. Yeah. Very good. No, not so many. Make a F for. Go down. Yeah. And that's a F. Very good. We are invited. G. G. Very good.
G.
Yes, you are about to finish. We are about to finish our work. Then we'll pack quickly. Then we'll go. Yes. Let's do G. Come on.
We'll go arcade also today. Arush, let's finish work. Chalo. Play on horse later. Yeah.
G.
G.
G. Yeah. You're controlling very nicely, and you will go back home today like a very good boy. We will clap for you. Okay? No nonsense. Yeah? Come on. Go. If you do that, I will take the ball away.
That's
Right now. Okay. The ball is going. 1, 2, and 3. The ball is going. Ball. Finish. Go. Now. You finish, you can have it. You remember that. Hand out of your mouth. Go. Come on. Go. Yes. You have done very well, and I will not let you spoil it. Come on. That's a turn it. That's a go. Can we clap for him? Yay!
Good job writing, Arush. So nice writing. Very good.
Okay. Now, this is done. Tell Mama, writing is over. Say to her.
Writing is
Over. Say, please keep it back. No, I'm not taking chances. No, say, keep it back. Say, keep it. Say to her, keep it back.
Yes.
Say, take the marker. Also, we try doing language. Say, tell her.
Take the marker.
Okay.
Thank
Now,
you.
ask Mama, can I take the ball? Ask her. No, say the full thing. Can I take the who are you asking? The curtain. Ask her. It's left 5 minutes. Let's see.
Okay.
Say to her. Ball. Yeah.
Yes, you can take ball.
Yay! Ask me.
Good.
Is the class finished? Ask me. Is class? Yes, class is finished. Ask me. I pack the bag. Say. Do I pack the bag? Say. Pack the bag. You can pack the bag.
Yes, let's pack the bag. Put it in. Writing book in. Put it in nicely.
And zip. Zip your bag, and then you can do this.
Sure. Zip the bag.
Here. It's nice.
Yes. Fantastic, Mom. आपने कैसे रोका नहीं उसको?
और अगर आप अलग अलग ऑटिज्म की टेक्निक सीखना चाहते हैं, जुड़िए हमसे हर मंगलवार को 7 से 7:30 हमारी लाइव में, वीकली लाइव में। ये एक फ्री सर्विस है और इसके लिंक और हैंडल और सब कुछ आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और अगर और सीखना चाहते हैं ऑटिज्म को, तो ऑटिज्म मास्टर क्लास ज्वाइन कीजिए 7 से 9:30। ये हर शुक्रवार को या बृहस्पतिवार को होता है और 7 से 9:30। उसका लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। इसके सिवा हमारी जो बुक्स हैं उनके लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे। तो देखिए ये वीडियो और सीखिए किस तरीके से बच्चा सीखता है। और मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अगली बार।